What is going on, everyone? In today's video, we're breaking down this new COVID variant and what is going on with the greater crypto ecosystem. But let's dig in and see if this new COVID variant is taking down the market. Let's go. What's going on, everyone? Let's transition right on over here and let's talk about this new South Africa COVID variant. Okay, so right now, the WHO, the World Health Organization, in South Africa right now are having this new variant called officially the B11529 and has a very unusual constellation of mutations. So that's like the big news today, this Friday, and it's shaking even traditional financial markets. I am not a doctor. I have no idea, but the news today has been horrible on this new variant. So this is coming from Reuters, South Africa. Okay, now we just go over to CNBC. Today's big release this morning, 6:30 this morning. Bitcoin enters bear market territory as risk assets plunge on new COVID variant. You've seen it here first, folks. This is straight from CNBC. Bitcoin has dropped 20% from its all-time high of 69,000, which is, granted we are 20% off from its high, but this is just Bitcoin being volatile. You can't handle the volatility. You don't want 200% returns. Then you can't handle the 20% market drawdowns either. Just saying. So, anyways, but this is the crazy part is that, people are saying that I can't see an argument where you can say there's no correlation of Bitcoin to risk assets. But I would say there's probably a lower correlation. I haven't done the statistical analysis on it, so I don't have the numbers, but as it's reporting by CNBC, digital currencies are falling in tandem with other risk assets amid panic over a new, highly mutated variant of the coronavirus first detected in South Africa. And again, this is just big institutional players. Us small holders, man, this is just normal vol. So, anyways, so it's saying global stock markets were sinking Friday with European stocks set for their worst session in more than a year. So right now Bitcoin is kind of moving with the whole market, but I think this Bitcoin correlation with the broader market probably in the short term. What do you mean probably? Like, obviously we are seeing in the short term, this bear market, but I just see this as normal Bitcoin vol, and I'm just gonna leave it at that, really. And what's crazy is that Bitcoin gets tossed into the broader financial markets. We see here Dow tumbles 900 points for worst day of the year on fears of new COVID variant. S&P 500 drops 2%. It's noise, bro. It's noise, man. Don't even trip. Look at this guy looking sad. The S&P dropped 2%. Oh my lord. But anyways, it's bad. There are repercussions, but from my perspective, I'm crypto. I come from a crypto perspective and bias. So I see a small little 2% S&P. That's not volatile to me, my friend. And that's why people retreat into it. So anyways, I guess, but the S&P, yeah. I wonder what the Wilshire 5000 is looking at, because that would be a good way to balance, on an S&P 500 2% drop, right? But anyway, so it's like this stuff is, this variant is weighing down traditional financial markets. So we are seeing some pullback in the institutional space, which is why we're seeing probably this huge sell-off that recently. But anyways, I just want to give a brief update on this new COVID variant, and it's bringing down the Bitcoin price temporarily, in my opinion. It's not financial advice. I'm just saying, don't listen to this noise. Okay, the S&P, I get it. Let the institutional guys, they can't handle that type of vol. We can. We're crypto. We have diamond hands. We know what we're doing. So just hey man, just ride. If you can buy this dip, my personal opinion, I would say buy this dip, or at least let's look at the end of in a couple of days. I have a new Bitcoin video coming out, and I'm going to analyze, hey, Where are we going into the end of the year? Are we seeing another dip come late December? It's possible. Go check out my Bitcoin series. I update every month a brand new Bitcoin video for us. I don't do it on a daily, but I do it on a monthly basis to see what's going on. If you should allocate some of your profits into Bitcoin if there's a good trend coming and there's good momentum. Anyways, good day, good night, wherever you are. Let's make those gains.